Yo no sé qué pasa conmigo. Like, I get mad excited when I get products. But the level of excitement when I get brushes, girl, that shit is different.
She wanna woo nigga. She wanna fight with the woo.
Okay. Let's get it popping. Today's video is going to be a little bit, I don't want to say different, but it's going to be a little bit different. I'm not in my usual setup. And I don't really know what I'm going to film. I just felt like I've been looking like a bum for the past week or so, and I just really felt like, you know, getting cute and whatnot. I don't have a look planned for today. I don't have anything planned for this video at all. I don't really know if I'm gonna talk through this video or if I'm gonna do a voiceover, if I'm just gonna put music so you guys can enjoy. I don't know. I guess I'll figure that out throughout the video. So I got this package sent from Sigma. Looks like this with, you know, some goodies. So I'm probably going to use what's in here today. Paired with some goodies that I got from PIXI Beauty as well. I don't know what I'm going to use, but I'm going to use some of it. Okay, so ellos me mandaron dos brow pencils. This is the Fill Plus Blend brow pencil. And they sent me 2 shades. They sent me medium and they sent me dark. So I'm gonna open dark first because it looks more like my shade. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna be my shade. Medium is gonna be too light for me. So I'm just gonna brush my brow hairs. I like this brow pencil. It's like nice and creamy. I like it. Me gusta, me gusta, me gusta. Sigma also sent me the Tint and Tame brow gel. I'm pretty sure this is clear. Yes, this is clear. So I'm gonna use that. I haven't used the brow gel in forever, I want to say. These are really cute packaging. Does the brow gel go first or después? I don't know. It's so satisfying to hear that it's combing my hairs. So I think what I'm most excited about, las brochas, because when I tell you I love Sigma brushes. I love Sigma brushes. Sigma's like the OG of brushes, and their quality, girl, they always come through, siempre con la calidad, and I love it. It comes in a little cute bag like this, like a rose gold bag. It says Sigma, and then you have, I believe it's 5 brushes inside. Así vienen las brochas. So vamos a ver cuál es cuál. So you have a flat kabuki brush for liquid cream products onto the skin, liquid and cream products, and then you have this one que supuestamente es para bronceador y el rubor, blush and bronzer. Then you have, they sent me a highlighter brush. You can blend cream or powder highlights. So para el iluminador de los cheekbones. Then they sent me this is the one. So this is the E38 Diffused Crease. This is a blending brush, and I love Sigma blending brushes. I use them in every single makeup look. And then the medium sweeper This is to pack on products, como para aplicarte el producto onto the lid. The bag is so bonito, like it's so cute. How adorable is this bag? Like, come on. Okay, so the color I just used was this one right here. This is the color Cool. Now I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is called Plant. Okay, but the creaminess of these pigments, these pressed glitters, I don't know, what are they actually? They are Glitter Eye Quad Blue Pearl. It doesn't say what exactly they are. I guess they're pressed glitters. Cause baby, it's like they're so creamy, yet they're just like, this is so cute. So I used the green right here in the center of my lid, and then I used the white one in the inner corners, and I kind of blended them together como que junto. They also sent me their gel liner. I'm not sure if I have this. Oh my god, this packaging is so cute! With little Sigma. I don't know why I'm excited about the packaging. I don't know. But okay, no, I don't have this. I'm just gonna do a liner so I can hide the lash band. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm dipping. Oh, this is so creamy. As you can see, yo no me hice un wing ni nada de eso, solamente para poder ponerme las pestañas y que las pestañas para que la línea de las pestañas no se noten tanto. So PIXI sent me these makeup melting cleansing cloths. I'm just gonna use that to kind of wipe away here because I messed up. They smell really good. I like that. So I'm using the Paradise lashes from Savage. This is what the lash looks like. Yo no sé qué pasa conmigo. Like, I get mad excited when I get products, but the level of excitement when I get brushes, girl, that shit is different. Cuando me llegan las brochas, that's this is so soft. Oh my god, esta está tan suave. Baby, wait, what am I using this for? Okay, so now that I'm gonna go to the face, para la cara, PIXI sent me this Skin Treats Skin Drain Pure Hydration Gel. I'm not really sure if this is a primer, if this is a cream, or what it is. No sé si es un primer, una crema. Oh, pero, ooh, it's like a jelly consistency. So I'm gonna, ooh! I probably should have shaked that first. Hold on. Let's try this again. There we go. That was kind of a lot. I could definitely spread that. the Makeup Revolution Infinite Concealer in C12. I need to buy more makeup because I'm running out of makeup. I'm just gonna put this underneath my eyes. I look so pretty. I'm gonna take a flat kabuki brush. This is the Sigma F80, which is the same one that they sent me, but this is just the one I had. This is the same brush. Normalmente yo no me pongo un corrector alrededor de la boca entera, pero right now I felt like around my mouth area was looking pretty dark compared to what it looked like normally. So I'm gonna look hella white, pero espérense, or bear with me because I'm gonna fix it. I'm just gonna take a blending brush, blend out underneath my eyes. So I go ahead and Makeup Revolution Infinite Concealer. This is in C14. And I'm going to use that to contour. I'm going to set debajo de mis ojos con este polvo de Sacha Buttercup de Sacha Cosmetics. And this is in Buttercup. So I'm just going to set my under eyes. I'm going to bronze with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Y este es en el color Medium Deep. So ahora voy a coger este polvo, el que usé debajo de los ojos, and I'm going to clean up my contour. Sí, mamá.
Te bendiga, mi reina hermosa.
¿Cómo está?
Yo estoy bien, mi corazoncito.
And I'm going to use my new highlighter brush because I actually don't own this brush. I'm going to take un poquito de este iluminador y la brocha nueva. This is heavy. Like, I like how heavy it is. Me gusta que pesa la brocha. I don't really know if anything. Oh, wow. The way this applied though, girl. Yes, I'm here for it. Okay, so this is the final look. I decided to go with no sombra, nada de sombra en la parte de abajo de los ojos. I was just like, I'm not doing no eyeshadow on the bottom lashes. I'm not doing that. So for my lips, I know I didn't talk through it, but I kind of did the same that I normally do. I lined my lips with Chestnut from MAC, which you guys know es mi delineador labial favorito, preferido. And then I put these two colors on my lips. These are some Savage glosses, so same brand as my lashes, but these haven't launched yet. But I did put the darkest one on the corners, and then I put the lightest one in the center. You guys saw that. So that's basically what I used for my lips. So if I had to pick some favorites from this whole new makeup situation, I love the gel liner from Sigma, and I also love the new highlighter brush they sent me. This is the F03 brush. If you guys are interested in getting that, I will have all the links to all the products that I use down below. I think it came out pretty cute. It's like cute, simple, yet glittery and glamish. You know, for those days where you just really feel like doing the most. Because why not? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Espero que les haya gustado el video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Compartan el video con sus familiares y sus amigos. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Y los veo en mi próximo video. Bye.